What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I want to be teaching you a move that took me way too long to master, and that's the pinky count. Let's do it. Now, I'm not sure why, but I think everyone has a move that they've just been trying to get down for such a long time, and they just couldn't get it down until you really put your head down and start practicing. So for me, this was actually just the simple pinky count. I don't know why, but I couldn't do it before. Now I can. So let's get into the actual tutorial. Now, breaking it down, you want to start off by getting into the mechanics grip. So you have your index finger on top, middle ring, pinky finger on the side, and thumb on this side right here. Now, the way you're going to modify this grip a little bit, you're going to come over with your thumb. You're going to press down in this corner right here. So the top left corner if you're holding the deck in your left hand, the top right corner if you're holding the deck in your right hand. So you're pressing down here, and your index finger is right around here on the top right hand corner. Again, if you're holding the deck in your right hand, it's the opposite corner. So just do the opposite. Now what you're really doing is you're taking this fleshy part of your index finger and you're resting it on top of the top card here. And it's almost going to be pushing down at an angle like this. So let's say this is your finger. This is my finger. But if it's here, you're almost pressing down on this card just using this fleshy part. Right? So it's just being pushed down like so. Now, another thing to note is that your middle and ring finger are not going to be resting on top of the deck here. They're actually going to be over on this side like so. This way, when you're riffling with your pinky, these fingers don't get in the way. And I know a lot of people teach it differently. Some people use the middle finger here, keep the ring finger down here. But this is just a method that I do, and it works really well for me. So that's what you're going to learn here. Now that you're here, you got that proper grip going, and you're ready to do the pinky count. But now you come over with your pinky, and for some reason it's having trouble doing this, and the cards are not going up as you want them to. And that is because you need to apply pressure with your thumb. And this is a key thing that I was missing when I first started doing the pinky count, is you want to apply pressure with your thumb in a downward direction on this corner opposite of the pinky, right? So once you apply that downward pressure, you realize that your pinky is really not doing the counting. The cards are just being riffled from the pinky. However, the pressure that's being put down is from your thumb. So as you can see, as I apply pressure with my thumb here, the cards start riffling up one at a time. And of course, that riffled up one at a time is being controlled by the release of your pinky finger. Right, so one more time, we're here. You have that finger here as well, because if you don't have that finger there, this entire card might come over and then start angling like so. So it's really important to have that index finger there as well. So you have that here. These fingers are no longer intervening with the counting method. Boom. You'll see the cards are starting to go up one at a time. One more thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to be doing this pinky count out in the open like this. Otherwise, the spectator can clearly see, like, what are you doing? You're counting cards using your pinky finger. You don't want that happening. So you want to actually come in with the deck like this. So you see this corner where the pinky will be doing the counting is towards you. So when you're holding the deck like this would be a great way to get these fingers into position. So you're just in a regular mechanics grip at first. You come in, start talking about something. You get that break right there. So 1, 2, get that break. Now you're right there, all set to go. So this, the angle part is something that I really had to practice a little bit, because for me it was easy to do this. I don't know why, maybe because I was trying harder or this angle is more comfortable. But doing it, making it more discreet is where I had to put in a lot more practice. And of course, as you start practicing this more, you'll get better and better and start counting cards faster than you can even count. Does that work? Now, if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe and check out one of these amazing videos. I'll see you there. Peace out.